it's waffle time. Tim has up 4-time winner's choice up for waffle. 1 through 100. 614. Here's the proof. All set. Winner. Number 9. With the hit. Congrats. We got a winner statement. That's at 615. Number 9. Matt Gotch. Congratulations, Matt. Nice hit. 615.